Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable auto rotation on Android 16. Let's begin. In order to enable auto rotation on any kind of Android 16 device, all you want to do is simply expand your control center and find auto rotate option. It might be named differently, it might be somewhere else, or you may not see it. If so, you want to click a pencil icon and you want to find your screen rotation option and simply add the shortcut. So in order to enable it, all you have to do is hit on, and now auto rotation is enabled. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.